Welcome, everyone. Are you ready to discover the ultimate lineup of vegetables that can supercharge your health as you age? In today's video, we're diving into 8 vegetables every senior should eat. These veggies aren't just delicious. They're packed with nutrients to boost energy, support heart health, strengthen bones, and even sharpen your mind. Whether you're looking to stay active, improve digestion, or protect your body from chronic conditions, these 8 superstars have got you covered. And the best part? Science backs every single one of them. So, grab your shopping list and get ready to learn about the vegetables that can help you live your best, healthiest life. Let's get started. First up, broccoli. Broccoli is a nutritional superstar. Just 1 cup of broccoli provides over 100% of your daily vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. High levels of vitamin K, critical for bone health, especially important for preventing fractures as we age. A rich source of fiber, which keeps your digestion running smoothly and helps manage cholesterol levels. And don't forget, broccoli is low in calories and packed with antioxidants, perfect for staying fit and fighting inflammation. Broccoli is loaded with calcium and vitamin K, both of which are essential for maintaining strong bones. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, seniors with higher vitamin K intake have significantly better bone density. Broccoli is rich in compounds like sulforaphane, which studies show can protect brain cells from damage and even help delay cognitive decline. A report in the journal Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience highlights how sulforaphane can combat oxidative stress in the brain, key to keeping memory sharp. Broccoli's high fiber and antioxidant content also make it a heart-friendly vegetable. Studies in the Journal of the American Heart Association show that diets high in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli can lower the risk of heart disease by improving arterial health. For seniors managing diabetes, broccoli can be a game changer. A 2017 study in the Science Translational Medicine found that sulforaphane in broccoli may reduce blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. 2. Carrot. Meet carrots, your new best friend. This humble root vegetable isn't just crunchy and sweet. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that are perfect for seniors. First, let's talk about what's inside these vibrant orange veggies. Carrots are loaded with. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a powerful form of vitamin A that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy vision and boosting your immune system. They're also a great source of vitamin K, which is essential for building strong bones and supporting proper blood clotting. Additionally, carrots are rich in fiber, promoting healthy digestion and contributing to heart health by helping to regulate cholesterol levels. Carrots are loaded with a variety of antioxidants that combat inflammation and shield your cells from damage caused by free radicals, promoting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. With just 50 calories per cup, carrots are a low-calorie, nutrient-dense addition to any diet. One of the most well-known benefits of carrots is their ability to protect your vision. A study published in JAMA Ophthalmology found that higher consumption of beta-carotene-rich foods like carrots significantly reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, the leading cause of vision loss in seniors. Vitamin A from carrots helps maintain healthy corneas and prevents night blindness, a common issue as we age. As we age, our bones naturally become more fragile, but vitamin K in carrots can help. A 2017 study in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research found that vitamin K is essential for maintaining bone density and reducing fracture risk in older adults. Carrots are a heart-friendly vegetable. According to research published in the British Journal of Nutrition, consuming foods high in antioxidants, like carrots, can lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease, one of the leading health concerns for seniors. Fiber in carrots helps regulate digestion, preventing constipation, a common issue as we age. A 2021 study in Nutrients highlighted how a high-fiber diet can improve gut health and reduce inflammation. Did you know carrots might help lower cancer risk? Studies, including one from the American Institute for Cancer Research, suggest that the antioxidants in carrots, such as beta-carotene and lutein, can protect cells from damage and lower the risk of certain cancers, including colorectal cancer. 3. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are low in calories, but rich in nutrients. Here's what you get in just 1 cup of sliced bell peppers. Vitamin C, over 150% of your daily requirement, especially in red bell peppers. Vitamin A, crucial for vision and immune health. Fiber, great for digestion and gut health. Antioxidants, including carotenoids like beta-carotene and lutein, which protect your cells from damage. And let's not forget the minerals. Bell peppers are a great source of potassium, which supports heart health and healthy blood pressure. Red bell peppers are rich in beta-carotene and lutein, two nutrients that are key for maintaining good vision. A study in JAMA Ophthalmology found that lutein can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in seniors. With their high vitamin C content, bell peppers are excellent for keeping your immune system strong. Research in nutrients highlighted how vitamin C supports immune cells and helps reduce the severity and duration of illnesses, which is especially important as we age. The potassium in bell peppers plays a critical role in managing blood pressure. According to the American Heart Association, a diet rich in potassium can help balance the effects of sodium and reduce the risk of heart disease, a common concern for seniors. Fiber in bell peppers aids digestion and prevents constipation, a common issue for older adults. A study in Frontiers in Nutrition emphasized the importance of dietary fiber in promoting gut health and reducing inflammation. 4. Zucchini. Did you know that this humble green vegetable could be one of the best choices for seniors? Yes, I'm talking about zucchini. Packed with nutrients, low in calories, and incredibly versatile, zucchini is more than just a tasty ingredient. It's a superfood for healthy aging. What makes zucchini such a nutritional powerhouse? Vitamin C boosts immunity and protects against oxidative stress. Vitamin A, essential for vision and skin health. Folate supports brain function and heart health. Fiber promotes digestive health and regulates blood sugar. Potassium and magnesium, crucial for heart and muscle health. Plus, zucchini is about 95% water, making it an excellent choice for hydration and weight management. Zucchini is rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps maintain a healthy gut. According to a study in Frontiers in Nutrition, dietary fiber can reduce the risk of constipation and other digestive disorders, common concerns for seniors. The potassium in zucchini helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. A study in the Journal of the American Heart Association highlights how potassium-rich diets can lower the risk of heart disease, a major concern as we age. Zucchini contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants known to protect against age-related macular degeneration, AMD. A study published in Nutrients found that these compounds play a key role in preserving vision as we get older. Zucchini is loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and polyphenol, which combat inflammation. Research in antioxidants shows that reducing inflammation can help seniors manage chronic conditions like arthritis and diabetes. Zucchini is incredibly low in calories but high in water and fiber, making it a perfect food for maintaining a healthy weight. A study in Obesity Reviews confirms that fiber-rich, low-calorie foods are essential for weight control and reducing the risk of obesity-related diseases. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Did you know this vibrant, humble vegetable could hold the key to better health as you age? Packed with essential nutrients, sweet potatoes are more than just delicious. They're a nutritional powerhouse for seniors. Why sweet potatoes deserve a spot on your plate? First, let's break down what makes sweet potatoes so special. One medium sweet potato provides vitamin A, over 400% of your daily needs, crucial for eye health and immune function. Vitamin C supports your immune system and skin health. Potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Fiber aids digestion and stabilizes blood sugar. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. And here's the kicker. Sweet potatoes are naturally low in fat and calories, making them an ideal choice for a balanced diet. Now, let's explore the research-backed benefits of sweet potatoes, especially for seniors. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. A study in the Journal of Nutrition highlights that vitamin A is essential for preventing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in seniors. Despite their natural sweetness, sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, meaning they release sugar slowly into your bloodstream. Research published in Diabetes Care suggests that low glycemic foods can help manage blood sugar levels, making sweet potatoes a great choice for seniors with diabetes or prediabetes. Sweet potatoes contain antioxidants like anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation. A study in Advances in Nutrition links lower inflammation to a reduced risk of chronic diseases like arthritis and heart disease, common in seniors. 6. Cauliflower. Who knew that this humble white vegetable could pack such a nutritional punch? Cauliflower might look simple, but it's a powerhouse of nutrients, especially for seniors. Here's what 1 cup of cooked cauliflower offers. Vitamin C provides 77% of your daily needs, boosting your immune system. Vitamin K supports bone health and helps with blood clotting. Folate, essential for cell repair and cognitive function. Fiber aids digestion and supports gut health. Antioxidants helps fight inflammation and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Plus, it's low in calories, carbs, and fat, making it perfect for seniors looking to maintain a healthy weight. Now, let's dive into why cauliflower is especially beneficial for seniors, backed by scientific studies. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin K, a nutrient critical for maintaining bone density. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that vitamin K can reduce the risk of fractures and osteoporosis in older adults. The folate and choline in cauliflower are brain-boosting nutrients. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that folate can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related memory decline. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. Cauliflower contains antioxidants like sulforaphane, which studies in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity show can reduce inflammation and protect against cellular damage. 7. Green beans. Green beans, those long, crisp vegetables we often find on our dinner plates, are more than just a side dish. For seniors, they're a nutritional treasure chest with benefits backed by science. Why green beans should be a staple in every senior's diet, and how they can support your health as you age. Let's dive in. Green beans, also known as string beans or snap beans, are packed with nutrients while being low in calories. Here's what 1 cup of cooked green beans provides. Fiber, 4 grams for improved digestion. Vitamin C, boosts immunity and protects against oxidative stress. Vitamin K, supports bone health and proper blood clotting. Folate, essential for brain health and red blood cell production. Iron, helps prevent anemia, which is more common in seniors. Plus, they're low in fat, sodium, and sugar, making them an ideal choice for a balanced diet. Now let's look at what research says about the health benefits of green beans, especially for seniors. Green beans are high in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. A study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology shows that fiber helps prevent constipation, a common issue as we age. Fiber also supports gut microbiota, which plays a crucial role in overall health. Vitamin K and calcium in green beans work together to maintain strong bones. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that sufficient vitamin K intake is linked to reduced risk of fractures in older adults. Green beans have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause sudden spikes in blood sugar. Research in diabetes care highlights that a diet rich in low glycemic foods can help manage blood sugar levels, which is essential for seniors, especially those with diabetes or prediabetes. 8. Beets. Bright, vibrant, and packed with nutrients, beets are more than just a colorful addition to your plate. They're a true superfood, especially for seniors. From improving heart health to boosting brain function, beets bring a lot to the table, and it's all backed by research. Let's get started. Let's talk about what makes beets so special. These root vegetables are loaded with essential nutrients that support healthy aging. Here's what 1 cup of cooked beets provides. Folate, 37% of the daily value essential for cell repair and brain health. Fiber, 4 grams promotes digestion and gut health. Potassium, 13% of the daily value helps regulate blood pressure. Manganese, 22% of the daily value supports bone health and metabolism. Nitrates. These naturally occurring compounds are key to many of beets' health benefits. Beets are also low in calories and high in antioxidants, making them an excellent addition to a senior-friendly diet. Now, let's dive into what the science says about the incredible health benefits of beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, lowering blood pressure. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming beet juice significantly reduced blood pressure in older adults, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. As we age, maintaining brain health becomes a top priority. Beets nitrates enhance blood flow to the brain, improving cognitive function. Research from the journals of gerontology showed that drinking beet juice before exercise increased blood flow to brain regions associated with executive function. This is crucial for memory, decision-making, and problem-solving. Physical activity is vital for seniors, and beets can help you get the most out of your workouts. Nitrates in beets improve oxygen delivery to muscles, enhancing endurance. A study published in Physiology Reports demonstrated that older adults who consumed beet juice had better physical performance and reduced fatigue during exercise. Thanks for watching. Remember, eating the right vegetables can make a huge difference in maintaining your health and energy as you age. Incorporating these 8 super veggies into your meals can support better digestion, boost immunity, and help manage conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family to help them stay healthy too. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on senior health and wellness, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.